Guangzhou Canmei Lighting Company Limited was founded in 19th May 2015. Located in Guangzhou, China, with convenient transportation access and beautiful environment. Our company is a high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D, sale of LED applied products, and related engineering service. Our associate company covers an area of 15,000 square meters and has 201 employees. Our products ranges include LED bulb light, LED tube light, LED ceiling light, LED panel light, LED downlight, LED strip light, LED track light, LED solar light, etc. As a professional LED lighting supplier, we have excellent teams who focus on product development and design, quality control and inspection, and company running. In order to supply the best products and services, we have built a modern quality management system which is in strict accordance with international standards. Besides, most of our products have got CE, COC, RoHS, COC, CCC, and more product certificates. Our company has an international professional service team focusing on comprehensive professional services, such as answering users' questions about product technological progress, personalized solutions, spare part preparation, online communication, and so on, making product service personalized, comprehensive, long period, and less effective, so as to win users' confidence, assurance, sincerity, and happiness. Adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits, we have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.